If you want to become the kind of person who actually lives the life you keep dreaming about, then you need to understand something early. You will fail. You will miss it. You will lose momentum. You will make mistakes you didn't see coming. And there is no version of growth where that doesn't happen. The real question is not, will I fail? The real question is, what do you do after it happens? Because after failure, there are only two responses. The first is the crash out. You take the loss personally. You let one mistake rewrite your entire identity for the day. You stop trying. You shut down. You tell yourself, I've messed it up already. And slowly that one moment spreads into the rest of your day, until everything goes silent and wasted. That's the cycle that keeps people stuck. Then there's the second option, the get back. You don't argue with what just happened. You don't over-explain it. You don't turn it into a story that traps you. You simply reset, you reflect, you adjust, and you move again. Because one mistake is not a direction, it's a moment. And here's what most people never realize. Failure is not the opposite of progress. It's part of it. Every setback is either going to slow you down or shape you. Every mistake is either going to drain your energy or sharpen your direction. The difference is what you choose next. So stop letting failure finish your day. Don't give it that much authority. Get back up, take the lesson, and keep building. Because the truth is simple. If you don't change how you respond, everything will keep repeating itself. Stay focused, stay steady, stay in motion, stay frosty.